Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29 RRT. This unit is a toy hauler. As you can see on the front of the unit, you do have a large storage space. It's got a lighted and power awning that covers your entertainment space. So you have the outdoor speakers along with the TV mount, cable and satellite hookups, and a nice little outdoor kitchen. So it's got the gray stone stovetop, and it does have the flat top grill that goes over this. You've got the contour ice maker, a spray port, and a contour cube refrigerator. This unit does have two entries. This one leads into the garage, and the one we're about to go into leads into the main living space. So right at the front of the unit is your bed. There is a curtain to block off the bed, in case you didn't want to make your bed and you wanted company. So with this bed, you can lift it up. There is storage underneath. There are mirrored closets on each side of the bed, along with USB ports and outlets. So if you have medical equipment or you need to charge your phone, you can do that right here at the bed. There are also mirrored closets on each side of the bed as well. This unit does have one slide. As you can see on the slide is your cafe style dinette. It will fold down into a bed. There are two drawers, one on each side. They do extend to the back of the dinette, and there's also storage in the center seat. Also on the slide is your Canon Refrigerator. This is 12 volt. It will run off your battery, and it will keep your food cold as you're driving down the road. And finally on the slide next to your refrigerator is your nice large pantry. Opposite your slide is the rest of your kitchen. So as you can see, you do get a large single basin apron front sink with the pull down sprayer and soap dispenser. You also get a 3-burner gray stone stovetop and oven. And up top is a contour microwave. You also have a radio and quite a bit of storage in here. It also has a jackknife sofa with a drawer underneath. Back here is your bathroom. So here's your large shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers more headroom. Of course, your toilet. And then a nice large vanity with tons of counter space there. And of course, you get a medicine cabinet. Back here is your garage. So it does have the booth style seating. You could seat 6 to 8 people depending on how close you are to that person. So this table will fold up and be table height, or you can leave it as such and scoot the seat cushions in, flip the headrest cushions over, and it'll create a bed. You've got cabinets up top. One more thing about the seats though, if you take the cushions completely off, they will strap, the bottom of the seat will strap against the wall. That way you can pull something in here, and you do have quite a few tie down points in here as well. It also has the party deck. So the ramp does act as a deck. So you've got the screens that create a fence around the deck. And then it's got the roll down screen that helps, keep bugs and stuff out of here. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come out and see us in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.